Governor Godwin Obaseki maintained that when Christians celebrate the death and resurrection of Jesus Christ, which signifies the essence of Christians' faith, by paying the supreme price of hope and eternal life, coronavirus pandemic has no power over the children of God.
We are celebrating Easter under unusual circumstances, which will make us observe the most important event in the Christian calendar at home, because of the restrictions which have been imposed to limit the spread of this coronavirus.
The Edo State Govt assured residents that government has put measures in place and would continue to review such measures daily to ensure that the spread of coronavirus is contained in the state.
Health workers who are leading the fight against COVID-19 in Edo State have been trained, and they will now man the first set of 50 screening centers, starting in the local government areas where we have experienced outbreaks of coronavirus.
He said necessary measures have been finalized to screen about 500,000 citizens in Edo State in the next few weeks. Mr. Obaseki appealed to affluent citizens to join hands with government to demonstrate love to their neighbors by taking care of the most vulnerable and less privileged in their communities in the spirit of Easter.
I also appeal to landlords to be compassionate with tenants who are owing rents, and to the Benin Electricity Distribution Company to provide sustained power supply for our people who are staying at home at this time.
Governor Godwin Obaseki used the opportunity of the Easter celebration to express gratitude of Edo people to President Muhammadu Buhari for granting state pardon to two Edo prominent political icons, Chief Tony Inahoro and Professor Ambrose Ali, who dedicated their lives to the service of the people.
We are thankful to Mr. President because with this posthumous pardon, the labors of our heroes past have indeed not been in vain. I also encourage employers not to lay off staff at this period, but to explore human-face measures to support employees during this time of crisis.
He therefore called on all citizens to continue to maintain personal hygiene and precautionary measures to curb the spread of coronavirus pandemic in the state. Patience Osarogiuwa reporting.